Good evening, meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros. And responding fire, we're going to talk about the severe weather potential that is coming for tomorrow, but we're also going to discuss the rain now and tonight through tomorrow, heavy rainfall, possible severe weather, including damaging winds and isolated tornadoes. We have to watch out for that, and I'll show you why here. So, as the rain moves in through the night, it gets heavy at times. We'll show you inches and stuff in a little while. We will get a short break, but not much of one. That will allow heating to occur. We have south and southeast winds pushing into this line as it comes across right around roughly tomorrow evening time. We're looking at a line of severe thunderstorms, damaging winds, and tornadoes. Isolated tornadoes are the biggest potential. This will march across. Biggest threat would be damaging winds, but we can't throw out the potential of a tornado on any of this. And we'll move on to how many inches of precipitation we may see out of this. Waiting for this to completely upload. And we can show you that. All I'm going to say is we're looking anywhere from 2 to as much as 4 inches of rain to occur during that time frame. And it's reset, so let me back out a little bit. There we go. We got 1 and 2 inches of rain right along Roanoke. I mean, this is not good. All these things right along the Blue Ridge Parkway, that's 2 to 3 inches. And that's because of the orographic lift. When you get the southwest winds pushing up against the mountains, you get stronger precipitation. Now we're taking a look at sounding. So don't be too concerned with the sounding. I'm just showing you the potential that these models are showing out. And what this shows is the potential rotation. And this does have a potential for tornadic activity. Supercell at 10, STP, significant tornado perimeter. We'll show you that in a minute. At 3. That's a pretty significant STP of fixed level at 3.1. It's a pretty good shot where we could get some rotation in the atmosphere. We have to keep an eye on it for sure. And this is for Roanoke area and just east. We're pushing above 3 to as much as 5. This is the STP, significant tornado perimeter. And when you get really above 2, the threat of severe weather heavily increases with tornadoes. So this is because of the shear in the atmosphere. Winds are changing with height, especially with a strong system coming through. We got the westerly winds behind it, the southeasterly winds in front of it. You add those two together, you get rotation in the atmosphere and the potential for severe weather and tornadoes. So very much need to pay attention to the potential tomorrow of severe weather and even possibly some tornadoes. So when we take a look at the Storm Prediction Center, they're pretty much outlined a slight risk across the area, Roanoke up to Philly, slight risk in the Carolinas. So what I'm showing you is the reasoning behind it. So other than that, we need to watch for rainfall totals, like I said, that are from 2 to 4 inches and a chance of damaging winds and isolated tornadoes tomorrow. Stay with us here at the Weather Pros and Responding Fire, and we'll keep you updated. Have a good night. Be safe. Be ready tomorrow for severe weather.